If you're looking for how to detox your liver naturally and boost your overall well-being, you've come to the right place. The liver is the largest and one of the most vital organs in our body. It works around the clock to perform the best. The liver is your body's filter. Its main responsibility is to eliminate toxins that the body produces on a daily basis. Nowadays, we can be exposed to toxins in many ways. If your liver becomes overwhelmed with toxins, it can struggle to keep up. That's why it's crucial to follow a healthy diet and consume the right foods to support your liver's health. Luckily, there are natural foods that help you naturally detox and cleanse your liver, including turmeric tea, a natural liver detox, that we're going to talk about in today's video. Turmeric is a powerful cleansing spice. It's been used as a spice and herbal remedy for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine to treat various ailments. Turmeric is an effective cleansing herb for the entire body. It contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to remove toxins and deeply detoxify your liver, reducing inflammation and protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. This can result in improved liver function and overall health. Turmeric is truly amazing and deserves its golden reputation. It's a spice that everyone should have in their kitchen and medicine cabinet. Making your own detoxifying turmeric tea is very easy. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 cup of hot water, a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Optional, honey or lemon for taste. Simply boil the water and let it cool slightly. Add the ground turmeric and black pepper to the cup. Pour the hot water into the cup and stir well. Allow the tea to steep for a few minutes. Add honey or lemon if desired. It's best to drink it every day on an empty stomach in the morning. While turmeric tea is a fantastic addition to your liver health routine, there are a few other things you can do to support your liver. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, limit alcohol consumption, and engage in regular exercise. Your liver will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care and be well. See you soon!